The Supreme Court has ruled that Tesha Miller has a case to answer.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Tesha Miller has a case to answer. That is the ruling of the Supreme Court, after his attorney Bert Samuels told the court to rule that Miller did not have a case to answer on day 8 of the trial. Miller is on trial for being an accessory before and after the fact to murder. The charge is in relation to the 2008 killing of then Jamaica Urban Transit Company chairman Douglas Chambers. Bert Samuels was seeking to have the court discontinue the matter against Miller. He told the court on Wednesday, November 27th, that Miller did not have a case to answer. Samuels grounded his no-case submission on the credibility of the prosecution's only witness. Mr. Samuels pointed to what he described as a number of inconsistencies in the witness's statements to the police and the evidence he gave in court. He asked the court to discard the witness's evidence, which would have resulted in Tesha Miller being freed of all charges. In the Crown's rebuttal, the prosecution told the court that Mr. Samuels' submission lacks substance. The Crown argued that at all material times, the witness told the defense he had explanations for the inconsistencies. The prosecution also pointed out that the inconsistencies were explained by the witness in re-examination. The prosecution also argued the witness's evidence placed Miller in the realm of being tried and convicted as the principal offender. In handing down her ruling, the presiding judge, Georgiana Fraser, said the issues raised by the defense are issues of facts that jurors should consider. The judge used the 2015 case of Andrew Stewart versus the Queen and the 2016 appeal court ruling of Anthony Atkinson versus the Queen as precedent for her decision. Meanwhile, on the previous day, Tuesday, November 26th, which was the 7th day of the proceedings, the prosecution told the court that one of the 3 witnesses they had intended to call could not be found. The court was also told that a police witness had decided not to testify.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.